What is up, YouTube? We're back in Arizona. Feels good to be back, and I've missed some tacos in my life, so I've been wanting to check out Torchy's for a long time. This one's in Paradise Valley, and definitely you gotta get the taco love going on. One of my favorite foods. And Phoenix has a ton of great places, so let's go inside and check it out and see what they have to offer. All right, the menu. We're just gonna focus on the tacos today. All right, we got the Tipsy Chick, the Bourbon Maple, and then the Burnside, which is a Jamaican jerk with the Diablo. We got the rice. It looks good. All right, guys. Cheers. Torchy's. That place was delicious. 5 out of 5, guys. Maybe, one of the best tacos I've had in Arizona. They're semi-authentic. The recipes and taco styles, though, it's very kind of American style, which I don't mind at all. As you saw, Jamaican jerk tacos. I mean, but that's what's fun about tacos. You can literally do any taco you want. So I would definitely check this place out. There's a couple locations. We're in Paradise Valley right now. But yeah, Torchy's, it's the spot, man. It's I think it's like 95, 98 today, and we're gonna get down in the 80s. So like I said, best time of year, October to May in Arizona, man. It is unbelievable. So we're just at the corner of Tatum over here in Shea. So check it out. It's a cool place. Glad you guys could join me for some tacos today. It's good to be back.